Hi. I wanted to let you guys know, just because I'll never want to feel like I'm scamming you. With these lights, like I have makeup on, but with these lights, like I've got that, I just got it like 2-3 months ago, but it makes you look so, it's extraordinary, really. I mean, I'm not saying I'm not a beautiful girl, but my eyes pop, no lines. Like, even if the pizza is on my face, you can't see it. No. I made sure the pizza wasn't on my face today. Okay, what I wanted to tell you guys was something exciting. So I've been talking to you, or did a couple posts about the Heartfulness meditation app. It's so great. So I heard about the Heartfulness Hondo. Go lay down in your bed. We talked about this in your bed. Go to your bed. Go to your bed. Go to your bed. He's in the doghouse today. We don't have a doghouse, but thank you. He let me know in no uncertain terms that he was not a fan of our new rug, which, yes, it did tie the room together. God forbid it was my fault. Okay, we're over it. But I woke up in my new, 7-day-old snowflake rug. Had, Hey, I don't want to talk about it. Go lay down. Let me make this video. Hondo caca on it this morning. I can't believe I just brought back the word caca. Anyway, so Heartfulness. I'll put the screenshot again of the app. It's just so great. Heartfulness, it's blue, and it's a blue heart, and it's a meditation app, and it's just so dope. Like, I don't know why. I mean, I do know why, but I always go to when I go, either I meditate with the trainer. Lie down in your bed, please. Go lie down in your bed, please. Lie down in your bed, please, and stay there. Thank you. I always add, it's like, how many people are you with? Because it's like live meditation. It's like, how many people are you with? And I always do 2. Excuse me, go lie down. I'm not going to say it again. All the way. All the way. It was confusing for him because I was like on the floor. He was like, oh, what's up? So discipline, just a side note. So I do want to do a video about dogs. Like I have a lot of experience in training dogs and with big dogs and dogs of all kind, and working for WAG for like 1.5 years was so cool in Los Angeles, but also so crazy. Anyway, but at like almost 2 years, especially if you have like something like a Belgian Malinois, which is literally a genius with teeth. That's a Joe Rogan quote. Consistency is everything. With every dog, consistency is everything. And I feel like it's such a human, important concept as well. Anyway, I always do, under the meditations where you're not with the trainer in the app, there's, excuse you okay? Cleaning, something. There's like, I'm always clean. There's like, maybe it's like law, I don't know what it is. I'll tell you later. Hey, but I wanted to make this video just because today when I was doing the cleaning meditation, I had such a perfect visualization that I wanted to share with you of like what he means when he's saying it. So they don't say much. It's not like a colorful guided meditation, which I like. And I hope mine aren't too colorful. I don't mean for them to be. But yeah, like he's like, meditate. It's kind of funny. And then like every 5-10 minutes, he's like, if you've gotten distracted by thoughts, return to the cleaning. Meditate. Anyway, so he says, and I sort of incorporated the concept, and I think I said something in a recent meditation, because the visualization grabbed me, or the words grabbed me. He doesn't say many words. But I hadn't internalized it until today, and I totally internalized it and had such an awesome cleaning. And I wanted to share with you guys because hopefully it will help at least one person, and hopefully, I mean, minimum one, and always hoping much more. So he says, exhale anything, any disturbances or impressions. Remember, impressions are samskaras. So those are like karma, like not karmas in that way. I'm a snob about Sanskrit, only because I've studied it extensively. So it's not, karma I define karma as a system, a impersonal system of checks and balances regarding energy, intentions. So it's energetic energy, but it's also the intention behind the energy. So it's not always what something looks like. And when I think of the karmic dance, or how that whole impersonal exchange and balance works, I don't know, like I'm open to that it happens over several lifetimes, or that it happens in this one, or maybe certain levels. But one time I wrote down something that I really loved. I started to say it in yoga classes. It was, we shouldn't want to understand this karmic dance. Just be a grateful and beautiful participant, right? But you can burn away samskaras. The one way to burn samskaras is through Agni, the spiritual fire that happens in your belly, right? Everything comes full circle. But this meditation on the Heartfulness System Meditation app is the point of the video, is expressing to you when he says get rid of the impressions, anything that you feel like makes you not perfect or holds you down or is weight or anything. Like a friend of mine said something yesterday, like, you know, something happened to me when I was 5, and it like really messed me up. And I don't know, he's like maybe 40 or something. I was like, wow, how long are you gonna hold on to those chains which you got a key to? Which was a harsh thing to say, because I have no idea what it was. And I was like, I'm saying that with love, you know? And then he's like, kind of like, whoa, roasting me much? Like, I was like, no, just like politely poking with love, you know? I have those things too. I'll only ever try to be of service, and only ever if I'm in a state of balance where I can hold space, or just want someone, if they guide me to want them. This is sounding weird. Only with like good friends. I don't, like I said, I don't give advice, but if they're going through something, I will happily explore it with them. What does that look like? Or is there a possibility that this could be, if I see something that could be ameliorated, a situation that could be fixed like this, or that I think maybe with just a little bit of awareness and love might be easily at least made easier to deal with, like not as annoying, I'll never hesitate. That being said, I will never also give advice. So in the cleaning one, he says focus on like a smoke. I don't know if you've ever watched like vapors. I would almost like watch like, because they have these guys that vape. It's not like vaping weed, they're like vaping whatever, and they do all of these crazy, they've got competitions and stuff, like clouds, like vaping clouds and stuff. And I felt like it was like that, just like the smoke comes off the body, and he says from the crown of the head to the base of the spine. That's your Shishramna column, that's just your spine. But then it leaves, so you're just sitting, and I almost like, I was just visualizing like this. I have to put something in there. Another thing I wanted to talk about is having, as much as you can, weed that is grown by someone you know. Like this is grown by my friend. He has a grower's license. I have no idea what that's like to get in California. Everything feels a little more sensitive now. I don't know. So see the smoke? So literally, you're lying there in your meditation from the base of the spine. It just goes off your back. And then source energy comes into the front in the source, in the form of light. You might see golden light. I felt just like straight up white, happy light that went all over my front body and face, and then like penetrated to the inside of my spine. So it was so interesting, like as source energy's coming in and impressions, some scars, whatever, leaving like smoke from the base of the spine to the crown of the head and down, like from the inside comes the light into your heart and through your spine that way. So it's going up. And then the smoke didn't work so well. Going down. Okay, love you guys. I wanted to make a yoga video, but I ate, so I can't really do that. But the heartfulness, we should meditate every day right now, for sure. I feel like right now, definitely. And it's such a great app. I've never recommended an app, like I said. I hope you guys are amazing. I was just looking at my skin. A lot of times I notice I do things that in the behavioral panel they call like grooming, and it's because I'm looking at myself. Like I don't look in the mirror that much. Like when I put makeup on, obviously I do, but I feel like I'm checking it in the mirror. And I haven't had a haircut, like a proper haircut, in it was 2019, and it was a, what do they call them? Haircuttery? When it's like $20. And I remember I'd like try to do it myself, and I said to the lady, and it was totally off, you know? And, you know, like how they are, like, she was really sweet. I love everybody that's ever done anything to help me. And, but sometimes they're not like super advanced. And I just said to her, like, whereas I might not question like a guy I was paying like $150 for a haircut or something, I was like, don't you think maybe, is there anything we can do to make the right side a little bit like more even, just like look even to the same? She goes, yeah, I see what you're saying. I was like, man, I'm so screwed. I was like, is there anything else you see that I don't see? It was, let's see, it was before I moved into my first Venice place. So it was, no, this is relevant at all. It was like July of 2019 was the last time I got a haircut, a haircuttery. I'm Coinga.